Hello everyone and welcome. Today we are about to be discussing how to synchronize Shopify products with Instagram. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Synchronizing is super easy. All you need to do is you need an integration for that. In your search bar, you're going to search for Instagram. Once you do, you can see we have that in Shopify App Store. Search that in there. Then you're gonna need to get any of these Insta feed, story, or any of these. You can see we have Instagram and Facebook Meta Shop, and you can easily synchronize your Shopify products with Instagram. You can see different options are available there, and that is going to be showing everything. So that's how easily you can create this kind of automation. I hope this was helpful. If it was, consider subscribing to our channel. Also, if you need any help related to any topic, feel free to let us know in the comments below. We will be more than happy to assist you guys, and hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.